Let's simplify 3x divided by x squared minus 3x minus 18 minus x minus 4 divided by x minus 6. So the first thing we need to do is find our common denominator, so let's factor this denominator. So we'll have 3x over x minus 6 times x plus 3. Minus, and we'll rewrite the last fraction. Now, what's our common denominator going to be? Well, it has to have an x and an x plus 3 in it, and from this fraction it needs to have an x minus 6. So our common denominator will simply be the first fraction's denominator of x minus 6 times x plus 3. X minus 6 times x plus 3. So let's now rewrite our original fraction. Well, this denominator is already the same as this denominator, so we'll leave 3x in this numerator. This denominator is missing an x plus 3, so we'll multiply x minus 4 times x plus 3. All right, now we can put everything over our common denominator. And from our first fraction, we'll have 3x. From our second fraction, let's put our negative in there, but and we'll change the sign in the next step. So foiling out, we get x squared. Our middle terms will be negative 4x plus 3x will be negative x, and our outer term is negative 12. So we get 3x distributing through will be negative x squared plus x plus 12 over x minus 6 times x plus 3. Okay, now what we need to do is collect like terms. So let's go over here and we'll rewrite this as negative x squared. We have 3x plus x will be plus 4x plus 12 over our common denominator, which was x minus 6 times x plus 3. Now, before we factor, let's notice that we have a negative 1 that we can factor out of the numerator. So we'll take negative 1 out, and we'll be left with x squared minus 4x minus 12 divided by x minus 6 times x plus 3. Now we're ready to factor. Factors of x squared will be x and x. The factors of 12 that will give me a difference of 6, or a difference of 4 will be 6 and 2. Will be negative and positive over our common denominator of x minus 6 times x plus 3. And now we're ready to cancel. We can cancel our x minus 6's, and in the numerator we're left with negative 1 times x plus 2 over x plus 3. So simplifying this, we get negative 1 times x plus 2 over x plus 3.